The Samsung Galaxy A50 has some really good hardware specs, and it means that it should work perfectly smooth. However, some owners reported that their devices started to become slow and sluggish after the recent firmware update. Most of the time, performance issues are due to some minor problems with the firmware. Hey guys, RJ here from theslguide.com, and in this video, I will be showing you what to do if your Galaxy A50 has become slow and sluggish. First solution: force restart your Galaxy A50. The forced restart should be your first choice, because if this problem is minor, then you should be able to fix it by doing this. The forced restart is a simulated battery removal, which refreshes your phone's memory. Here's how it's done. Press the volume down button and the power key at the same time, and hold them both for 10 seconds or more. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait until your device has finished rebooting. Once your phone has successfully restarted, try to see if it's still slow and sluggish. Second solution: reset all the settings on your Galaxy A50. Most of the time, performance issues are a result of a minor firmware problem. They can be fixed by reverting the phone's settings back to default, and that's what you need to do next. You have to reset all the settings on your Galaxy A50. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. After this, try to see if your Galaxy A50 is still slow and sluggish. Third solution: factory reset your Galaxy A50. If your phone is still sluggish even after doing the second procedure, then it's time to reset your device. This problem could be just a result of a firmware-related issue. However, make sure to create a backup of your important files prior to the reset. When ready, follow these steps to reset your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.